Hello, grade 9. So this is the third part of the operations on radical, which is the division of radicals. Okay? So start tayo. So just like with the multiplication of radicals na with two subtopics also, which is multiplying with same indices and different indices. So ganun din po dito sa division of radicals. Apply lang po natin yon, different law of radicals and then law of exponents at the same time its conjugates. Yan. Start tayo. So in dividing radicals, if the nth root of the number is divided by the nth root of the another, then the result nth root of the quotient. Now, so law of radical tayo, kapag naka-express as separated, pwede i-rewrite po natin as one radical only, as long as same ang index nila. Okay? First example, find the quotient of the cube root of 16 and the cube root of 2. Yan. So, ang gagawin po natin, since same lang po yung index nila, rewrite it as one radical. It will be cube root of 16 over 2. And 16 and 2 is divisible to each other. Reduce na po natin siya. So, 16 divided by 2 is 8. Kaya ito ay magiging cube root of 8. And since 8 is a perfect cube, extract natin yan. So, ang cube root po ng 8 is 2. Kasi 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So, simple as that. So, ulitin ko ha, kapag naka-write siya ng separated radicals, as long as same ang index, then rewrite it as 1. Next, divide square root of 8 by square root of 5. Sulat muna natin ang ayos. The square root of 8 over the square root of 5. Yan. Since ang denominator natin is a square root, we need to rationalize it, diba? Sa week 5, week 6, we discuss about rationalizing. So, ayan. To rationalize it, i-multiply natin ito to both numerator and denominator, no? So, this will be multiplied to both square root of 5 over 5. Proceed with multiplication. 8 times 5 is 40, 5 times 5 is 25. Naka-square root yan. So, we have square root of 40, square root of 25. So, square root of 25 is 5. Factor of 40 na meron pong perfect square. So, ayan po ay magiging factors ng 40 is 4 and 10 because 4 is a perfect square. And then, square root of 25 is 5. Since 4 is a perfect square, extract po natin. So, that will be 2. Ayan. Square root of 4 is 2 over 5. Then, square root of 10. So, that will be the answer. Okay? Ganun lang po. Next. Cube root of 6 divided by the 6th root of 3. So, application na po ito ng different indices. Rewrite lang po natin ng ayos. Yan. Magkaiba ang index. So, just like multiplying different indices, sa kailangan yung base natin ay kung kayang gawing pareho ang base, pwede naman, or much better, i-rewrite natin ito exponential. So, alamin natin kung sino exponent and the index. So, yun yung magiging numerator and denominator natin. Numerator and denominator. So, 6. So, ang exponent ay 1. Ito ang denominator. Dito naman, 1. Ito ang denominator. So, 6 raised to 1/3. Itong sa denominator naman is 1 over 6. 1/3 and 1 over 6 is different, dissimilar fraction, I mean. So, kailangan natin makuha ang LCD ni 3 and 6. So, ang LCD po ng dalawa is 6 din. Yan. So, para maging similar fraction. 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. 6 divided by 6 is 1 times 1 is 1. Similar fraction na po siya. So, pwede na natin, at ang index niya ay pareho na, pwede na natin itong isulat as 1. Ayan. So, ayan na po. So, yan ang index pareho. So, index, rewrite it as 1. So, since ang exponent ni 6 is 2, kaya 6 is square. And then, 3. 6 is square. So, ang gagawin po natin, i-factor muna natin si 6 para maging pareho yung base nila. Yan. And then, expand lang natin or distribute 3 square, kasi 1 dito, 1 times 2 is 2, then 1 times 2 is 2, kaya magiging 3 square, 2 square. Okay, pareho yung base, ayan. And then, simplify, 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 2 is 4. Since 9 and 3 is divisible to each other, reduce natin. So, 3, ayan, wala na matitira dito, 1 na lang. So, 3 times 4, 6th root. So, 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 has no 6th root, so therefore, that is already the answer. Okay? For example, ayan. So, ito po ay application of conjugate, no? So, 3 plus the cube root of, square root of 3. Alamin natin ang conjugate. We all know that the conjugate is just the opposite sign of the radical expression. So, therefore, ang conjugate po nito is 3 minus the square root of 3. So, kung ano yung conjugate, i-multiply natin to both numerator and denominator. So, ayan. Ito yung conjugate niya. Proceed with multiplication. So, 8 times the conjugate, kaya 8 times 3 minus the square root of 3. And then, the radical expression, and then is conjugate. Bakit naka-color coding na naman tayo? Kasi, para makita ninyo yung first term and second term. Yung naka-blue ang first term, yung naka-purple ang second term. And express it as sum and difference. So, square the first term, square the last term, and the sign is always negative. Rewrite lang po natin ito kasi 3 is a part of this negative square root of 3. Kaya hindi natin ito pwedeng pakialaman. Just rewrite it. So, square the first term. 3 times 3, ayan, 3 square. Then, positive times negative is always negative. Square root of 3 square. So, 3 times 3 is, ayan, 9. Rewrite lang natin yung numerator. Square root of 3. So, 3 times 3 is square root of 9. Square root of 9 is a perfect square. So, extract it. So, 9 square root of 3 minus 3. Ayan. Yan yung square root ng 9. Negative 3. So, 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 and 6 is divisible to each other. So, reduce natin by 2. So, 4, ito ay 3. And then, express it as a fraction. So, it will be 4 over 3 times 3 minus the square root of 3. So, hindi po pwedeng i-distribute kasi they are different. Okay? So, that is the answer. So, thank you very much and God bless.